Hey everyone, welcome to A Great Alternative. Today I'm going to go over my referral earnings from stock footage sites, specifically POM5. Is it worth it, basically? And to answer that, I'm going to delve into, firstly, what they are, how to set them up, and how much I've made. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what is the referral program? Long and short, it's the same thing as most referral link programs. Basically, you have a link to share. When people click that link, if they then go and spend money on that site, you make a commission of that rate. Okay, what's first? First things first, this. Earn up to $500 for each new customer you refer. That is some big boy claims. Like, what? $500 per customer, up to, fair enough. Let me just stop right there and say, through my personal experience, that is not the case. I will say, however, you can get potentially a bit lucky with this. I want to do a quick kind of like insert because this person I want to really say thank you to you for this. I don't know if you're watching this video. I hope that you are. But Animation House, they're from all I know is this. They're from the Netherlands. They've got 6,240 videos on POM5 and their videos are amazing. There's kind of a whole host of stuff, but some of the specific animations that they've done are amazing and have just given me kind of ideas for projects that I'm like, I want to try doing that. So I recommend them. But since I think it was May last year that they clicked my link and signed up, and each month I have been earning money. So from this one person, I have earned $104.02. So that's £89.71 that I have made from one click. One person. I will tell you, that one person stands out far above any of the others. So that's why I just want to say thank you, Animation House, if you're watching this and you clicked my link and signed up after that, and then have bought some stuff. You're earning me a bit of money, you've bought me a good few drinks there, and you've probably bought me dinner for the week, 89 quid. So thank you so much. Anyway, aside from that, overall, the way they say it, share your unique link, you give 20%. So basically, you click a link, one of my links down below, and you then go buy something, you get it 20% off, and then get 20%. So you then buy that thing, I get 20% of your first purchase. Also, keep earning for a full year, so make 5% commission on every subsequent purchase your referral makes for a whole year, no matter what they buy. And also, you make even more when it's your work, so earn additional 10% when your referral purchases your work. A total of 30% on their first purchase, 15% on any subsequent purchase for a whole year. That hasn't happened to me yet, and I think kind of the proof is in the pudding. You know, if you're like myself and you're learning about and wanting to know how to do POM5 yourselves, it's quite rare that you then need stock footage, and if you do, it's normally like something like music, animation, something that isn't fundamentally what you can go and do yourself. And also here we've got the referral commission table. I'll leave this on screen for a little while. As you can see, royalty rate 60%, first purchase 20%, your media bonus 10%, so you potentially take home 90%. So someone goes from a link here, buys my first thing that I want someone, if you want to give money to this channel and help us out to help make more videos, please go and buy the video that's on screen now. My mate Neil eating a sandwich that, I am not kidding, had cheese and jam and peanut butter in it, because I gave him those three options and he said yes please, all of them. So I deliberately was like, right, I'm filming you, I'm going to name that clip exactly that. Funny man eats peanut butter, cheese and jam sandwich in a graveyard, because we were filming other stuff, and see if anyone buys it. So far, no one has. Do I think anyone will? No. So if you want to buy that clip and help us out, I am exclusive to POM5, so I earn 60%. It would be your first purchase, so that's 20%. It's my media, bonus of 10%, so I would take home 90% of that sale. Sounds pretty good, right? If you stick around to the end, I'll go into how much I've earned and does that then really correlate to actually a good amount of hard-earned cash. But first of all, let's go over just what it is and how to set it up. This is the link here, pom5.com/referral. As long as you are a POM5 contributor already, this is now bringing you into your referrals page. Within here, you've got your unique link. Let me just copy and paste that to show you. The unique link is to POM5. So as you can see here, it says, you already have an account. Referral discounts are for new people. Get out of it. So it's just to POM5. It's literally just to the front page of POM5. If you're looking to go buy anything from POM5, click this link. There you are. Or your portfolio. As you can see, this is my portfolio with all like my top selling clips. So that's my top selling clip, the time lapse of Fort Worth. Let's say you want to show someone just some examples of your work. Say you're a camera op. You know, this is a prime example of if you're a camera op and you want to show the quality of your work and it's literally just the base stuff, not a finished, flashy, edited video. People just want to see the quality of what you can produce from you and your kit. This could be a prime example of that. And then, for example, if that's a customer or someone that might want to buy something, the hope is, they might buy something of yours. You can also generate a custom link. So for example, let's go on one of these clips. Where are we? I want Neil's clip. Funny man eats cheese and cheese sandwich. So click, copy, take it back to my custom link, enter it there, submit your custom link. There you go. So that's my custom link down below. I've just created that. That will be in the description down below. Again, that's an example of if you were to click that link, buy that link, I get all of those lovely commission percentages after going through there. Please comments down below if there's anything that you questions you want to ask me about this kind of stuff. But it's pretty straightforward. It's like a referral for a lot of different places. But most importantly, would I recommend it? Because how much have I earned? Scroll down to the bottom of your referrals page and it will tell you. Overall, I have had total referrals joined 63. So that's yourselves who have clicked the links probably in, I think we've got 4 or 5 other POM5 videos. That's the only place I've put those links. I don't ever share them anywhere else. They're only in those videos. Total referral transactions. So that's the amount of purchases someone has made after either joining or becoming clicking through my link is 45. And my total referral earnings is £104. In dollars, that is $125.35. I started doing this in April of 2021. We're now November 2022. What do you think? Is that a good amount of money? At the end of the video, I'll put a link to my second year of sales and how much I've earned on POM5 up to this point. That £104 isn't a small amount of how much I've earned overall. Like in these last few months, I honestly was quite disappointed because you'd hope that the more you're on there, the more clips you got, it goes up. The amount of money that you earn doesn't really happen that way. It kind of ebbs and flows and a bit here and there. So having this coming in, Animation House, I've made like $20, $30 a month off that one person that's then buying more stuff. Amazing. And for me, this is a brilliant example of how to earn extra money from something that you're already doing. And this is as little as copying and pasting that link. Obviously, you've got to make a video, you've got to have a blog, have a campaign, do something the way you're sharing that link and hopefully having thousands of people click that link. But if you do have that platform, like for me, I was going to make videos about POM5 anyway. I want to bring people to the YouTube channel. That's my main goal, is to just keep making videos for this YouTube channel. And it wasn't necessarily, it's not really about making money. We're living in the caravan right now. We don't live on our homestead yet. We haven't built our house. So we do need a little bit of money here and there, but also it's to help basically, I want the YouTube channel to pay for itself. At the minute, it isn't at all really. I'm spending out a lot of money to go and meet people and visit places and do different things, which is kind of why I do this. This could try and hopefully at least pay for fuel at the very least. So would I recommend it? Definitely. 100% yes. Would I recommend stock footage as a whole? Totally depends on your circumstance, and that is different. I've already got an account, I'm already setting this up. I want to make videos to help people out because although the channel is about our homestead and natural crafts and things like that, this is one area that I personally feel fairly confident in because I am a filmmaker and I've been doing this for a little while now. So it's, you know, I'm interested in and hopefully helping yourself out by sharing my journey. And if you can make extra money out of it, why not? Why would you not? So that is my evaluation of referrals on Pom5. Should you do it? Yes. Should you click the link down below of a man eating a cheese and peanut butter sandwich and give me 90% of the money that you spend because you have benefited and enjoyed the videos that are on this channel and you want to help us out, and that's how you want to help us out? Yeah, please do that. If you don't want to do that, but you are interested in the videos that we're making, please subscribe, like, share the video, share the link, whatever, you know, that kind of stuff. But yeah, overall, I really hope that you have enjoyed this. If you do have any other questions, whether it be about creating stock footage or Pom5 or different bits and pieces like that, please comment down below. Tips, tricks, stuff like that. If you've got that as well about maybe uploading and earning passive incomes, again, please put those down below. If you are interested, I'll put the video at the very end that is what I've earned out of being on Pom5 for 2 years. And in that video, I've also got a whole load of tips and tricks from people like yourself who have put comments in other older videos, and I've kind of compiled a few of them, hopefully to kind of help out new viewers and new people that are coming onto the channel. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you again, everyone, for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.